In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add search bars in Glide. If your app includes long lists of items, like products, contacts, or tasks, a search bar is one of the quickest ways to help people find exactly what they need without endless scrolling. The great news is that Glide makes this incredibly simple, and you can turn it on in just a few clicks. Start by heading to the Glide website in your browser. This is where all your projects live, and where you'll make changes to the app's layout and behavior. Once you're there, sign into your account so you can access your dashboard. After logging in, you'll see a list of your projects. Pick the app you want to edit by clicking it, and Glide will open the builder. This is your workspace, with the preview in the center and configuration panels around it. Inside the builder, make sure you're looking at the screen where you want users to be able to search. The search bar appears on screens that display lists or collections, so it's most useful on pages that show multiple items. On the right-hand side of the builder, you'll see the sidebar that controls the layout and properties of whatever you've selected. Look for the section labeled Options. This is where Glide groups key settings that change how your screen behaves for the end user. In the Options area, find the setting labeled Show Search Bar. Toggle that on. The moment you enable it, a search field will appear at the top of your list in the preview. That's all there is to it. The search bar filters the items currently displayed on that screen, and results update as users type, making it fast and intuitive to narrow down large data sets. If you don't immediately see the search option, double-check that you have a list or collection selected and that you're on a screen type that supports searching. The option only appears in contexts where it makes sense. Also, remember that the search bar is a screen-level feature. Turning it on here affects this specific screen, and you can enable or disable it independently on other list screens throughout your app. If you ever want to hide it again, just return to the same toggle and switch it off. And that's how to add a search bar in Glide. Quick, clean, and super helpful for your users. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.